Okay, so we're definitely going to start now, just like mentioned, on how to create a very simple funnel for your business. We're going to let you see how we do that in ClickFunnels 2.0. So, the very first thing, of course, you can start here by saying maybe you click on create. It's definitely going to ask you what you want to create. That's a blog post, broadcast, funnel, pages, product, workflow. And the other way to go around it will be to either just click on sites and funnels. So when you click on sites and funnels, it's going to, let's wait for it to load, depending on your connection. So it all depends on you. Okay. So when you click on sites and funnel, this is what you're definitely going to see. You now go directly to funnels. Okay, so now you see here it says create funnel. So you click on create funnel. You give a name to the funnel that you want to create. Let's say we're working with a young lady's hair product. So it's called Blend's Hair Growth Moisturizer. Okay, so let's create funnel. You click on create funnel. Yeah. So you guys will definitely have to bear with me because it all depends on your internet connection and how fast your computer is. So yep, let's get it going. It's creating our funnel page. Yeah, loading. Okay, so here we are. And also we can definitely, kind of like adapt a funnel from the various templates. But now let's start here. So we're creating a page. Now we now have the various templates that we may choose to work with. So so we're looking for something that would definitely be good for a hair product. So unfortunately, I do not have a whole lot of choices here. It didn't load in well. So okay, all the same. Okay, so what I'll do, we're not going to take this. Let's customize the one we have up on the home page just to make it easier for adaptation, so that we all can. Okay, okay, okay. So let's customize this. Let's customize this and see what we're gonna get. So let's go. So here we are. So what we have to do is to customize this so we're definitely going to customize this to the funnel that you just saw. And so how did we go about it? So first thing first, I want to work on the logo. So okay, no, wrong column.